Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin closed slightly green and Devo closed red, which is typically a positive sign because volatility is cooling off, but the bigger picture remains challenging. The dollar index has finally broken above its Q4 2025 high, confirming a breakout above a level that's held for months. Historically, a stronger dollar puts pressure on Bitcoin by tightening financial conditions. At the same time, Bitcoin's daily RSI remains below 40, keeping momentum firmly in bearish territory. And now oil is starting to bounce from its 200-week moving average. If that bounce continues, it could strengthen inflation expectations, support the dollar, and create another headwind for risk assets like Bitcoin. Another concern is that the S&P 500 remains unusually stretched above its 200-week moving average, a level it has historically revisited over time. With markets already in pullback territory and the dollar breaking out, this could create additional pressure on Bitcoin. So short term, markets still lean bearish. However, my base case remains that Bitcoin could form its cycle low later this year, potentially around September-October. However, if Bitcoin experiences one final aggressive flush lower, something that forces weekends out of the market and resets on-chain metrics rapidly, I wouldn't be waiting for Q4 anymore. Looks familiar? This is the Bitcoin cycle repeat chart, as I still believe that Bitcoin moves in cycles. If we would repeat the last cycle, this is what we would get. I'm not saying history will repeat exactly, but the similarities suggest that the market may still need one final shakeout before the next major opportunity emerges. And that's why I posted on X. No buy signal yet from Bitcoin's long-term holder net unrealized profit loss momentum indicator. Neither on Bitcoin's on-chain risk composite, which combines several on-chain metrics into a single risk score from 0 to 1. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye!